illegal! Just watch.
Now what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Willie in the background of the video for y'all. Now for today is kind of a sad video, bro. I'm gonna be talking to y'all about why I have not used Instagram for a year now. First of all, let's get this straight, bro. Instagram, man, like this is just an app that just destroys you, bro. Like it's an app where you're focusing on other people's life, bro. You're jealous of other people because they got drip, they got money, etc. You watch other people that are focused on and you get jealous of their shit, man. Like this app just makes you jealous of other people. Like this shit is just not good for you, man. Like I've always been using Instagram, and what I learned from this bullshit is that it's programming you, bro. You just focus on other people's life and it makes you fucking insecure about yourself. Like for an example, for y'all woman, like there's a girl working out, she's working on her titties, her ass, she posted an Instagram picture wearing a bikini and I don't know, a swimming pool or something, a beach or something, because of other girls see that they get insecure of their body now. They're insecure if they got big breasts, if they got a big butt, etc. They're insecure about themselves. Like Instagram, bro, but that's not the one reason why I've been using Instagram. The one reason why I've been using Instagram is honestly because, bro, like I have lots of people that are fake in my life, lots of people that are fake that gospel, that talk shit about me, bro. So like forget it, I'm just gonna not fucking use this app and not focus on myself. I've been hustling, I've been grinding, bro. The reason why I have not been using Instagram is because, bro, it's not because I'm sad, I'm depressed. Hell no, what the fuck? I'm making money, I'm stacking paper, bro. I'm hustling. I'm grinding my future life because of this fucking quarantine. I'm planning my future life, bro. I'm planning on how I'm gonna get money. I'm on my spiritual awakening, bro. I'm gonna make a video about that. So I'm on my spiritual awakening and I'm planning on how I'm gonna make money, you feel me? Oh yeah, and guys, what I forgot to mention in the vlog, I finally got my own lamp. Look at this shit, bro. Hope y'all can see. Bro, my room looks so lit now. Like, look at my whole room real quick. You got the lamp right here with my medals. Shit, I still cannot find my soccer awards. I had some soccer awards from playing soccer. I cannot find them shits, bro. Look at my TV, my electronics and shit. Oh shit, my passport. I want y'all to see this real quick. My passport. Hold up. Let me get it. Shit. Right there. Hope y'all can see. It's my passport. Now the reason why I have this passport is because like I have over 10,000 followers on TikTok, and TikTok can start paying me now, but like, you need an ID for them to pay you. So I'm gonna use my passport as an ID so they can pay me on TikTok. Oh yeah, and y'all go follow me on TikTok. Sweet Chocolate Drop. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so y'all can go follow me on there. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to show y'all my shoe boxes and shit. I know I showed y'all this in my last videos before, but I just need to show y'all again, man. Like this is my do-rags and shit. Like my room right now is honestly like I'm a rich kid. Like we could just be filming a movie in my room. It will be looking lit, the cutscenes, bro. My room is so lit. We can literally be filming a movie in here, bro. Like my room is like a rich kid's room. But yeah, man. I have not been using Instagram because Instagram, bro, like this shit is just destroying you. I've been focusing on my life. I've been quarantined. Oh yeah, and I did go through some mental illness during quarantine. So that's another reason why I haven't used Instagram, because I've been going through some mental illness during quarantine, not going anywhere, staying in lockdowns, being quarantined. I've been going through some mental illness for like months. Then I've went through it, and now I'm just fucking focusing on my life. I'm focusing on my future life. I'm focusing on how I'm gonna become rich. I'm focusing on how I'm gonna get money when this pandemic ends, etc., etc. By YouTube, etc. I'm just focusing focusing on myself, you feel me? Now I'm spiritual, so that's why I have not been using Instagram. But another thing I want to say is, if anyone wants to talk to me about this shit, like if anyone wants to holler at me, etc., etc., because we haven't talked in so long, feel free to do it, bro. But like, I know there's lots of people that hate me now because I've been using Instagram, I've been DMing them. I already know I lost bare followers, bro. Like, I lost bare followers, and I'm about to show y'all right now. Proof that I have not used Instagram for a year, like on some real shit, bro. You feel me? Let's get straight to it, man. And another thing about Instagram is that it's fucking toxic. Like, you could see someone that has like only 200 followers. You have like maybe like you can see another person at like 1,000, 20,000, something like that. Like, he's not gonna fucking follow you because your follow count is too low. Like, you shouldn't be fucking following anyone because of fame. You should be fucking following for someone for who they are, for how they act, etc. You shouldn't only be fucking with someone just because of their fame. Like, Instagram, like, it's fucking toxic. Like, people cannot even fucking follow you because your followers are too low. Shit like that. It makes you feel bad about yourself that you don't have enough fame for them to fuck with you. You feel me? Like, and this shit is cyberbullying. Like, if your drip game is not on point, etc., niggas bully you, bro. Like you can literally have like, how do you see that? Like, you can look like, you can have so much followers on Instagram but be broke, bro. Like, and only another thing I want to tell y'all, bro. Like, if you have no purpose of using Instagram, don't fucking use it. If you're not making money off this app, don't fucking use it. If you don't have no business, nothing, don't fucking use it, bro. Like, it's worthless. Like, why the fuck are you gonna flex on Instagram like you have money and you're so rich? Like, you have all these followers, etc. But is you rich? You got money like that, though? Like, actually get your money game app. Actually have money. Get money to get clothes and to buy you some drip. So when you drip on them, when you have the money and you drip on them on your pictures, then you can have the fame and be famous. You feel me? Y'all see where I'm coming from, man. But yeah, bro. Like, this app, like, that's another reason. Like, it's cyberbullying and shit like that. Like, if your drip game is not on point, etc., nigga bully you. If your fame game is not on point, niggas bully you, bro. If you're not on point in life, you have no purpose, etc., on this Instagram app shit, niggas bully you. This is how this shit is ran, you feel me? Like, this shit is just made to destroy you, man. Like, on some real shit, man. Guys, if my hair looks really rusty, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. It's fucking quarantine, bro. Just look outside. Look how empty the roads are, bro. Like, fucking barber shops are closed. Like, I cannot go to get my hair cut because fucking barber shops are closed. We're in fucking quarantine. It's the third wave, bro. It's the third wave. Everything is closed. I cannot go anywhere. Like, this shit is gonna seriously say that people are dying shit even though they brought the vaccine, shit like that. You know, I don't even fucking care about this stupid ass coronavirus. All I care about is my future life. Me focusing on myself. Me focusing on getting money, paper for my future life, etc. Me focusing on my grind. Me having fame. Me being passionate and what I like doing, all my passion, etc., etc. You feel me? That's literally all I care about. I don't even give a fuck about this pandemic, to be honest, on some real shit. But yeah, man. That's why my hair looks rusty as fuck. Bro, barber shops are closed. We're in fucking quarantine. Like, this shit is